Thank you, Mr. Speaker, for having us today. And I just wanted to talk a little bit about the bill and what we've been doing together bipartisanly. So for years, we've been building towards a mental health crisis. I don't think anybody isn't aware of that. But COVID not only exacerbated it, but it also presented a new paradigm for us across the entire lifespan, creating more accessible and affordable systems and healthcare providers, creating a process that encourages new grads to not only stay, but more importantly, to come to Connecticut and live here, understanding where our children are in terms of mental health and meeting them there, and providing our parents and our residents with the tools they need to be partners through this crisis. All of these things are paramount to the success of operating in this new area that we are. We've worked bipartisan across the aisle on all factions of this bill to remove barriers to meaningful mental health care for our residents. We've been innovative to provide our children at a young age the services they need as they grow, and to provide for the state for the full spectrum of care. Is this bill perfect? No, by no means it's not. But by bringing it forward to the public hearing process, this framework is now open to the process and to have input to help it be better. It will open us up to things that we may not have considered as legislators. I'd like to see many of the things that we've done in here expanded to a full lifespan of services, because as the majority of the House has mentioned, mental health it's across the spectrum, and we've seen a lot of increase in care issues for our elderly who are also extremely impacted by COVID. So looking at all of these opportunities that we're creating as full spectrum of care gives us more providers, and it increases our accessibility and affordability. I can tell you that we're going to keep working on this. It's a personal goal of mine to increase accessibility and affordability to healthcare, and especially mental health. The old ways aren't working anymore, so it's time for us to move forward. This bill helps us do that. I'm thankful to have been part of the team and to come up with legislation that's hopefully going to have an impact on all of our residents in the state. So thank you very much.